Good morning.
Good morning. It is early, actually.
It is. It's
now 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
So we are on our way to go meet Anita from Mayan Cooking School. You guys have seen her before on the channel. She's a really good friend of ours now.
She's so much fun. She runs a Mayan Kitchen Cooking School here in San Pedro, and we have the amazing opportunity to join her this morning to the market. She's doing a class, and we just get to tag along. We get a little bit more relaxed atmosphere to film when we go with her.
We get like more of a locals view or like an insider view because we're very blessed. She speaks English and she's able to explain everything to us.
Yeah. And introduce us properly
Yes.
to the vendors and like kind of let them know what we're doing, what we're about.
Yeah.
And so it's just a really good experience for everyone.
And we also need food.
Yeah,
So-
we're gonna pick up some groceries, gonna pick up some veggies that we're gonna be cooking tonight.
Yeah.
And yeah, just wanted to take you along with us.
Okay, we'll see you there.
We'll see you soon.
Just tons of corn.
And walking up, that guy just threw a huge bushel of corn on the back of his bike.
Yeah.
So funny.
Love how they make everything work.
It's amazing what they do with motorbikes here
And tuk-tuks.
and tuk-tuks.
Aw, puppies.
So many puppies.
Yeah. You guys are old.
We got a little chicken bus parking lot over here.
They're so beautiful.
Amazing. So fun. Grace over there capturing it. We're making it into San Pedro right now. We're a little bit of a walk outside of the town, but
You can't leave me like that. We're in a foreign country, don't you know? A very cute cafe.
Hola, buenos dias. Yeah, amazing cafe right there called Idea Connection.
Really great, like traditional breakfast foods.
Cafe, definitely cafe style.
but-
Great place to practice your English.
Yes.
Great place to practice your Spanish, study, get some work done.
Yeah, they definitely have a great like co-working space.
Yeah.
It's definitely for that. So
And they'll have some soft acoustic playing every now and then.
some live music
Yeah,
sometimes.
super cool.
Really great cafe.
No, gracias. Okay, so we have made it to the dock. This is where we were going to be waiting for Anita. Yeah, hopefully she'll be only a few more minutes.
Yeah.
Need a bowl? No, gracias.
Hola, amiga. Banana bread, por favor.
Hay banana, coconut, carrot cake y chocolate banana.
Chocolate banana.
Chocolate banana, por favor.
Sí.
Okay.
20?
Yeah, perfecto. Muchas gracias.
Breakfast. Chocolate.
I was a little hungry. We were running late.
Chocolate banana bread.
We were running late this morning, so we are going to have a little snacky.
She's here at the dock most of the time. Also, so if you are here for a cooking class, she'll be around. So if you guys need a quick snack, she'll provide.
For sure. Yeah, and it's 20 quetzales, which is less than $3 for this beautiful, massive, open chocolate banana bread. So,
Yum.
¿Cómo estás?
Hola.
Hola, chicos. Bien.
All right, so it looks like we're waiting on like 4 more people. Anita just got here.
With colorful outfits.
And so now we are, gonna wait and hopefully get to the market within the next 10, 15 minutes.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Who knows?
Who knows? Let's see.
Bye.
Anita got stopped by some fans in the street. Grace is now making friends with the people taking the class. I think we're gonna head to the market here soon. If you can't hear me at all, sorry, it's super loud, but that's what's going on. I see you in the market. Huh?
Ready?
Ready. Wow.
come with your okay, por favor.
Ah, muchas gracias.
De nada.
Gracias, Anita.
There's always one, right?
We're all here.
All right. Ho means let's go.
Vamos.
Them as rebel people. Because they are just projecting to go actually going. So the first couple months, they've been making a lot
One of our friends back there. Met him at Out Bar,
Many
yeah.
of them, they just throw away their products that they are not able to sell. So that they really need both of this market, they need us. So that is why I said, okay, I just go. Last week, I used them, I used that market twice. So when I just show up the first day, they said, welcome to the market of the rebel. So
Just made it to the market.
Yeah, let's get in there.
Huh?
You're supposed to be helping these women.
She said, no, I got it.
Yeah, you're the only dude here. I just realized.
I know.
The only man.
Come to the ship.
There you go.
So we're going to a different market. Sorry, trying to keep it down for Anita explaining her class, but going to a different market here in town, which is amazing. So we're going to spread the love even more.
Yes.
Hopefully be able to grab everything we are coming here for.
If not, we're gonna find more than what we need.
And it'll be great.
Anita always figures it out for us, doesn't she? She's
Guatemala provides.
Yes, it does.
Because by myself, I am not able to do this. It's because it's tourism that we can keep blessing the people. We're blessing Island, and I already learned that we're blessed in order to bless. Yeah. So we go, we share the love to different vendors.
So many fruits and veg all over the place. Squashes, little zucchinis, peas, everything. So pretty. Zachary.
So beautiful.
Go for it. All right. This is all for you. I'm just trying not to be in you guys' way. I'm so sorry. I love it. Popped in there to get a jersey real quick. Amazing. Hola, Zachary. Hola, Zachary.
Plantains.
Like that? Yeah. This is good. With tortillas. I want to try one. Yeah, muy bien. At home. At home. Now we're going to touch in the truck, many things. So at home, we'll wash our hands and we're going to try.
It's like this piece. Don't be pulling. We love Anita.
She's
She's a powerhouse.
She's very particular on which chicharron is.
Hey, this is her reputation.
Leo.
Leo.
Thank you.
Chocolates. Hola, Zachary.
Many of the families are not accepting people. So that is why they just leave their motorcycle or their planes, so just to not make space for them. But as we said, we're rebels. Muy bien. We stopped for a while here because
We're in his sleeping spot.
So the process of these tortillas are first boiling the grains of the corn. As local as we are, we don't use cornmeal or corn flour. So we prepare our own dough at home.
You too, bro. We love Leo. He's so fun.
We got to try blue tortillas. Sorry, we got distracted. Or black tortillas, rather.
tortillas.
Delicious.
So good. All these women are so beautiful preparing these black tortillas and just all kinds of tortillas. Apparently they are more expensive than normal. So it's a kind of almost a delicacy right now that we're able to try them. Super happy.
I already ordered 4 pounds. So that is not... Usa 10. Vamos allá. Vaya Julia, ata chakaha, ata chapet na ka. Bye.
That's the chicken lady. Oh, let me see.
For beef and chicken. And from the chicken we eat everything. Eyes, the head, the neck, the feet, everything.
We are on the move.
Yeah, right. Here, hold on. Let's hold it up next to your arm.
A ti?
Yeah. They're massive. Look how big.
See?
That's you like it.
And it grows naturally. Okay,
Yeah.
they use organic fertilizer. Why? Maybe you're saying
Insane.
why? Because the lava from the volcano,
volcano.
that it has so rich protein for the veggies.
I'm gonna get two.
Matios, Zachary. Even the cops are kind.
Oh my gosh, like they're so sweet.
Yeah, so that's the Market of the Rebels. One street, actually a lot of streets, but one main one. This woman here sells baskets and clay pots, and they're just so beautiful. She makes them all. Wow. So much fruit, so many beautiful people here. All the Texans. Adios, Matios, Zachary. So kind.
Almost done.
Yeah.
Almost done.
We are ready to cook.
Ready to cook. So they're so delicious. We're gonna try it.
Wow.
Wow. they're so much smaller than the other ones.
Yeah, but and also different.
Yeah.
Than the normal ones.
Yeah.
We're gonna buy.
Yeah.
And also, I got the other one that is like normal ones, so to see the difference. Okay.
So right now we're going to head out from the market. We just had an amazing, like probably hour and a half.
Probably, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Amazing experience.
So we're finishing up at the market now. It's been an incredible experience, and now we're gonna go. Anita actually invited us to join the cooking class.
Which we were not anticipating at all, so we're really excited. Taste have friends.
Stay tuned.
Bye.